Embark on your French counting journey, numbers 1 to 10. Learning a new language opens up a world of possibilities. Let's start our French counting adventure with the first 10 numbers. These foundational numbers are essential building blocks for expanding your French vocabulary. 1, 2, deux, deux, 2, 3, trois, 3, 4, quatre, quatre, 4, 5, cinq, cinq, 5, 6, 6, six, 6, 7, sept, set, 7, 8, huit, wheat, 8, 9, neuf, 9, 10, dix, 10. You'll notice that some French pronunciations differ significantly from their English counterparts. Practice these sounds to enhance your French fluency. These numbers will become the foundation for more complex number combinations as we progress. Mastering the teens numbers 11 to 19. Now that you've mastered the first 10 numbers, let's move on to the teens. French numbers from 11 to 16 have unique names. 11, onze, 11, 12, douze, 12, 13, treize, 13, 14, quatorze, 14, 15, quinze, 15, 16, seize, 16. The numbers 17 to 19 follow a pattern. They combine dix, 10, with the numbers 7 to 9. 17, dix-sept, 17, 18, dix-huit, 18, 19, dix-neuf, 19. Notice how the pronunciation slightly changes when combining dix with the other numbers. Pay close attention to these subtle shifts in pronunciation. Unveiling the patterns, numbers 20 to 69. As we venture into larger numbers, you'll discover logical patterns that make learning French numbers a breeze. The number 20 is vingt, van. 20, vingt, van. 20. From 21 to 69, we use a combination of vingt, 20, trente, 30, quarante, 40, cinquante, 50, and soixante, 60, along with the numbers 1 to 9. For numbers like 21, 31, 41, and so on, we add et, and between the tens and ones place. 21, vingt et un, 21, 31, trente et un, 31, 41, quarante et un, 41, 41. For all other numbers, simply combine the tens and ones place without the et at 22, vingt-deux, 22, 33, trente-trois, 33, 44, quarante-quatre, 44. Remember to practice the pronunciation of each number combination. This will help you gain confidence and fluency in your French counting abilities. Section 4, Conquering the 70s and Beyond. Numbers 70 to 99. The 70s in French introduce a slight twist. Instead of a unique word for 70, we use soixante-dix, 60-10. From there, we continue adding to reach the numbers 71 to 79. 70, soixante-dix, soixante-dix, 70, 71, soixante et onze, 71, 79, soixante-dix-neuf, 79. 80 follows a similar pattern, using quatre-vingts, 420s, to represent 80. We then add to quatre-vingts to form the numbers 81 to 89. 80, quatre-vingts, quatre-vingt, 80, 81, quatre-vingt-un, quatre-vingt-un, 81, 89, quatre-vingt-neuf, quatre-vingt-neuf, 89. Finally, 90 uses quatre-vingt-dix, 420s 10, and we add to it to form 91 through 99. 90, quatre-vingt-dix, quatre-vingt-dix, 90, 91, quatre-vingt-onze, quatre-vingt-onze, 91, 99, quatre-vingt-dix-neuf, quatre-vingt-dix-neuf, 99. You're doing great. With consistent practice, you'll be navigating these larger numbers with ease. Section 5, Reaching the Century. Mark number 100. Congratulations. You've reached the pinnacle of our French counting journey. 100, cent, 100. Remember that learning a new language takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Keep practicing these numbers, and soon you'll be counting to 100 and beyond in French.